Go ahead and open it.
David's got it open.
What's in it?
Put your finger in up top.
I
Mmm.
know, I'm not going to do all that.
What are they? Can you hold one up, David?
Maybe you even want to.
Ah. Yeah, you want to try one?
Yes, I did.
Put your finger in like David did across
I
the top.
know. Look how you need to do it. Yeah. What the more clothes in?
Oh, those are fun.
Yeah, look at that.
Actually, I'm not sure if you're getting it all apart the way it's supposed to be.
Look, Mom, how you're supposed to do. You're not allowed to look what you're not allowed to do. Mom, you can do put something. You need to take the tape off.
Okay, if you want to do
There
it
you go,
that way, you
David.
can
Just
do it that
keep
way.
unrolling it.
There you go.
Ah, pretty cool.
You pull it
Are you
apart.
taking a picture of me?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
I'm going to try the green one. I'm going to try the green one.
Go ahead.
What is this? What is this?
You never had that before, did you?
What is this? I did.
You can eat it.
Like this? I'm going to have the... oh,
Now you
man.
can peel it off from the plastic. From the top end's easier.
I can't.
Actually, I'm not an expert at these things because I didn't grow up with this.
Well, they
I
already
know
came
how.
out
I know
since
how.
we were little, so.
I know how, Mommy. The easy.
Well,